What's up, everybody? I'm Jesse Showalter, and I am here with the awesome, the fantastic SEO specialist. This is Meg Clark, everybody. Give her a round of applause. Did you just dab? Did you just dab?
I did.
Hey
girl.
So that I feel like your interview is going to wander, and I'm okay with that. What's up, everybody? No, you shut up. Did you just mess up my intro? You're the best. I am here with a great friend of mine. This is Meg Clark. She's an SEO specialist. She's an entrepreneur and basically just a fantastic human being. So we're gonna take some time today and talk about your speciality, talk about your business, who you are, what makes you tick. But before we do that, what do you do? Who are you?
Well, I'm Meg Clark, and I help creative entrepreneurs get found by Google.
Oh,
yeah.
Is that hard? Is it hard to get found by Google?
Well, it is hard to get found by Google because, you know, Google's pretty big.
That's true.
And did you know that there's over 6 billion Google searches a day? And there's 4 million new posts posted a day. So it's really hard to kind of sort through that and be found.
Okay, awesome. So
Yeah.
what part do you play in that? Do you own your own business? Do you, what do you do? What's the whole deal there?
Yeah, so I own my own business. It's called Clapping Dog Media.
Link in the description.
And so I own my own business, and I am an entrepreneur, and I work directly one-on-one with clients. And
Okay.
I have a team that I work with, and we work with technical and content and all aspects of SEO, so we can empower small businesses to take advantage of the users that are on Google.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so I have tons of questions.
Oh boy.
Hopefully you have the answers. I'm sure that you do.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so first off, can you explain, I'm asking a lot right now. What is search engine optimization? How do you do it? What's the basics?
Well, search engine optimization.
Yes!
Search engine optimization is just a series of techniques and tips that you can use so that your site makes it easier to be crawled and indexed by Google. So it's a way of communicating your content with Google so they can quickly scan and identify and categorize your site properly so that when somebody searches or queries, you're kind of top of mind. So it's a series of techniques.
Okay, and is it like dark magic, or is it like something that everybody can do, or is it something that you can get good at? Or...
Well, I think you can get good at it because that's like my pursuit or my passion. But it does feel like snake oil because there's so many people who have felt like they've had an interaction with somebody who does SEO and they feel like they pay them a lot of money and they don't really know what happened. So my passion is to kind of demystify and make it easy to understand and make it really relatable, because everything that like I like to say that good business is good SEO. So if you are running a good business and you are providing value and really helping your audience and your users, that's good SEO. And so I can't teach that. You have to be a good business, and then I'll tell you how to line things up so that it can be found by Google. Okay,
are there guarantees in SEO? Like if I come to you, if I go to a different SEO specialist, and he says, guaranteed I'll get you page 1 of Google.
No, there's no guarantees. And it is a long process, but it is a process that works because Google's a business and their job is to find really good answers to the queries. So they're on your team and they're on your side. You just have to play well with them.
Okay.
So there are no guarantees, but it does work. Okay.
So is there like, okay, for me, I'm a designer, I'm a creative, and I'm freelancing. Are there like 3 things that I could do like right now today to help myself be found better?
100%.
What could you give me the top 3?
The top 3, gosh, yes. The first thing is to be valuable to your audience, which you're already doing. Okay. Being valuable and giving that stickiness so that people come to your site and they stay. Because actually that's a really huge metric for Google. If Google is observing that lots of people are coming to your site, they're spending time on your site, and they're visiting multiple pages.
Not sure I understand.
My watch just talked.
This is the best interview ever. So you were saying that if Google comes to your site
and they spend and they're seeing that users are spending time on your site and they're visiting multiple pages, then you must be providing value, because if people come to your site and then jet, and then you don't have any stickiness. So the first thing that you can do is be valuable and provide content and update your content on a regular basis. It doesn't have to be daily, but maybe a couple times a month and on a consistent basis, because it gives more content and more richness to how you want to be found and what the space that you want to take up on the internet. So if you can do that, Google helps. So provide value. Write regularly and make it good content. And then also know who you are. Know what you want to be found for and stick to that.
Okay, what if I'm not good at writing though? Like, I have to
No,
write.
you don't have to write.
Does it have to be a blog?
No, it doesn't have to be. It just has to be kind of new content. So you can do videos or you can do podcasts. But what's really important is you add some notes around that. So Google doesn't watch videos and they don't listen to podcasts. It all gets translated to words. So you can put all the blogs, the videos up there that you want. Just give it some meat and some context so that Google can read it.
Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too intimidating.
No.
I can do that.
I think you do.
Okay. Those are pretty basic tips. Those aren't like plugins or secrets or like...
Oh, there are no secrets.
There are no secrets.
I don't have any secrets.
It's just hard work?
It is just a lot of hard work and it's consistent work.
Oh my gosh.
There's no shortcuts.
There's no shortcuts in life and there's no shortcuts in SEO.
No, there's no.
I love this. It's very self-explanatory.
It's like a long walk.
How do you, as an SEO specialist, how do you get clients? How do you get business?
Well, I do it lots of ways. Number one, SEO. So people find me on Google.
If you didn't do that, that would be funny.
It would kind of be awesome.
It would be kind of amazing.
But one of my biggest sources of new clients are referrals, because I'll work with a business, I'll work with an entrepreneur, and we see results, and so they tell their friends about it. Good. So one of the best ways is working with people that I like. And when I like people, they recommend other people that they like. So
oh my gosh,
kind of works together.
Yeah, I think we're the same on that. Referral business.
I love referral business, and you know what? If good business is good SEO. So if you help your friends out and you support your friends and you do a good job with your clients, then it's all gonna come back.
And then maybe they'll write you a testimonial and you put that on a website, and that's valuable content.
Holla.
That helps you. Holla. Okay, that's huge blue mind, and I think everybody else's minds on how important SEO is and it's approachable. Because it does feel like a black hole of dark magic and snake oil that if I stick my head in, I will not come out of.
Or that you'll spend a lot of money and you won't really know what happens.
Yes.
And it's really unfortunate for our industry. So I really just want to kind of provide accessibility and empower people, because there's so many people on Google, and if you can make a bigger impact on the world with your business if you can just tap into some of the effort from Google.
You're an amazing teacher. Do you have any, is there any courses or any information that you put out there that people can learn more about SEO from you?
Sure, I have some classes. I call them SEO Made Simple, and you can check them out. They're couple-hour classes with a really helpful strategic guide that are really easy to help you kind of get started. And it's really a mindset of how to set up your pages, how to set up your website, how to set up your business so that you can be found for how you want to be known.
Okay, so you got SEO Made Simple.
Yep.
You can find that on your website.
clappingdogmedia.com.
Well, that's all I have. Meg Clark, thank you for answering all of my questions.
You're welcome.
And the questions of the interweb.
You're welcome.
You can find all of Meg's links down in the description. Please go check her out, buy her course. She's amazing, smart. You will benefit from it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and come back later. We'll have some more cool stuff for you.
See ya.
See ya. Bye.